Hello, everyone. Welcome to Speak Along English, an easy English speaking podcast where speaking English is easy and fun. I am Mia, and this is your shadowing practice episode on how to meet new people in English. In this episode, we will practice 100 sentences that will be very useful English for meeting new people. If you haven't watched the main podcast episode yet, I recommend you go back and watch that first. In that episode, Alex and I explain all the vocabulary and concepts in detail. You'll find the link in the description below and a card above. But if you've already watched it, perfect. Now it's time to practice speaking. That's what shadowing is all about. You're going to listen to me say phrases and sentences, and then you're going to repeat them immediately, just like a shadow. This is how you go from learning English to actually speaking English. Making friends in English starts with speaking practice, like this. Don't worry about being perfect. Just practice out loud, and you'll see improvement every day. Okay, are you ready? Let's begin our shadowing practice. First, let's practice some icebreaker phrases. Listen, then repeat each sentence. Hi, my name's Mia.
Hi, my name is Mia.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I'm really happy to meet you.
I'm really happy to meet you.
Is this your first time here?
Is this your first time here?
I've never been here before.
I've never been here before.
This place looks really nice.
This place looks really nice.
Are you here with anyone?
Are you here with anyone?
I came here with a friend.
I came here with a friend. Do you know many people here?
Do you know many people here?
Me neither. I'm new here too.
Me neither. I'm new here too.
By the way, I'm Mia.
By the way, I'm Nia.
It's great to meet someone new.
It's great to meet someone new.
I love meeting new people.
I love meeting new people.
How did you find out about this event?
How did you find out about this event?
A friend told me about this place.
A friend told me about this place. Now let's practice sentences for small talk. English small talk is friendly and light. The weather is really nice today.
The weather is really nice today.
It's so sunny outside.
It's so sunny outside.
I love this time of year.
I love this time of year.
Where are you from originally? Where are you from originally?
I'm from a small city.
I'm from a small city. I moved here 2 years ago.
I moved here 2 years ago.
What do you do for work?
What do you do for work?
I work in a school.
I work in a school.
I study at the university.
I study at the university.
What do you like to do in your free time?
What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading and going for walks.
I enjoy reading and going for walks.
Have you been here before?
Have you been here before?
This is my first time in this cafe.
This is my first time in this cafe.
Have you tried the food here?
Have you tried the food here?
The coffee here is really good. The coffee here is really good.
How do you know the host? How do you know the host?
I met her at work last year.
I met her at work last year.
We went to school together.
We went to school together.
I don't really know many people here.
I don't really know many people here.
I'm trying to meet new people this year.
I'm trying to meet new people this year.
Now sentences for showing interest and follow-up questions. Use these phrases to keep the conversation going naturally. Oh, really? Tell me more about that. Oh, really? Tell me more about that. That sounds really interesting. That sounds really interesting. How long have you been doing that? How long have you been doing that? Do you enjoy your job? Do you enjoy your job? What's the best part of your work? What's the best part of your work? I've always wanted to try that. I've always wanted to try that. That's amazing. How did you start? That's amazing. How did you start? I didn't know that. That's really cool. I didn't know that. That's really cool. I agree with you completely. I agree with you completely. I feel the same way. I feel the same way. What do you like about living here? What do you like about living here? Do you have any recommendations? Do you have any recommendations? I'm gonna try that next time. I'm gonna try that next time. You seem really passionate about that. You seem really passionate about that. I love talking to people about their hobbies. I love talking to people about their hobbies. Now, some magic phrases when you don't understand something. These social English phrases are essential for real conversations at such times. Sorry, could you say that again, please? Sorry, could you say that again, please? I didn't catch that. Could you repeat it? I didn't catch that. Could you repeat it? Could you speak a little slower, please? Could you speak a little slower, please? What does that word mean? What does that word mean? I'm not familiar with that expression. I'm not familiar with that expression. I'm still learning English. I'm still learning English. Please be patient with me. Please be patient with me. My English is not perfect yet. My English is not perfect yet. I understand most of what you said. I understand most of what you said. Thank you for being so patient. Thank you for being so patient. You speak very clearly. That helps me. You speak very clearly. That helps me. I am improving my English every day. I am improving my English every day. English speaking practice is really important to me. English speaking practice is really important to me. I practice with podcasts and shadowing. I practice with podcasts and shadowing. My goal is to speak English naturally. My goal is to speak English naturally. Now, let's practice a full conversation. I don't think we've met before. Hi, I don't think we've met before. Hi, no, I don't think so either. I'm Mia. Hi, no, I don't think so either. I'm Mia. Nice to meet you, Mia. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you, Mia. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you too, Sarah. Nice to meet you too, Sarah. Is this your first time at this event? Is this your first time at this event? Yes, actually, my friend invited me. Yes, actually, my friend invited me. Oh, how nice. Where are you from? Oh, how nice. Where are you from? I am from Brazil. And you? I'm from Brazil. And you? I'm from Italy. I love Brazil. I'm from Italy. I love Brazil. Oh, really? Have you been there? Not yet, but it's on my list. Oh, really? Have you been there? Not yet, but it's on my list. You should go. The food is amazing. You should go. The food is amazing. I bet. So, what do you do? I bet. So, what do you do? I'm a nurse. It's a busy job.
I'm a nurse. It's a busy job.
That's wonderful. You help so many people.
That's wonderful. You help so many people.
Thank you. I really love my work.
Thank you. I really love my work. This section is about staying in touch and closing the conversation.
It was so nice talking to you. It was so nice talking to you.
I really enjoyed our conversation.
I really enjoyed our conversation. You are very easy to talk to. You are very easy to talk to.
I hope to see you again soon.
I hope to see you again soon.
Would you like to exchange numbers?
Would you like to exchange numbers?
Are you on WhatsApp or Instagram? Are you on WhatsApp or Instagram?
I'd love to stay in touch. I'd love to stay in touch. Let's get coffee sometime. Let's get coffee sometime. It was really great meeting you today.
It was really great meeting you today.
I'll send you a message later.
I'll send you a message later. Take care and have a great day.
Take care and have a great day. See you soon, I hope.
See you soon, I hope.
Excellent work, everyone. You just practiced over 90 sentences for meeting new people in English. That is real English speaking practice, and you did it. Remember, these are social English phrases you can use every single day, at a party, at a coffee shop, at work, at school, everywhere. Meeting new people becomes easier when you have the right words, and now you have them. Practice these phrases again tomorrow. Speak them in front of a mirror. Send a message to a friend using one of these sentences. Small, consistent steps lead to big results. Be patient with yourself. Keep going. You are doing so well. Don't forget to check the link in the description for our main podcast episode on this topic. Alex and I go into much more detail and explanation there. And please subscribe to Speak Along English for more daily English conversation practice. Now, here's your challenge for today. Write one sentence in English in the comments. It can be an icebreaker phrase or just say hello and where you're from. We love hearing from you. Until next time, keep practicing, speak with confidence, and remember, learning English is easy and fun. Bye, everyone.